What is up gamers, my name is Priyam and I just got my hands on a brand new iPad Pro 11-inch with a Magic Keyboard and a 120Hz display. So I just wanted to try and see if it's actually good for portable gaming. Hope you enjoy the video. So I don't really like doing unboxing videos, but here we are anyway. I have an iPad right here. This is a 256GB 11-inch model iPad Pro, and below that is a Magic Keyboard. And I already made a community post about this a few hours ago, and you guys were saying stuff like I'm rich and stuff like that. And let me tell you, it's not true. This is my brother's iPad and I borrowed it from him so that I can make this video. So we're done with the iPad Pro. Now let's move on to the Magic Keyboard, and as you can see, it's really nicely packed, just like every other Apple products. And by the way guys, I hope you're not expecting a proper review. This is just gonna be a video in which I experience and use the iPad Pro for the first time. So the first thing that I noticed about this iPad was the 120Hz display, and I have already experienced 144Hz thanks to my display that I bought a few days ago. So I'm kind of spoiled already, but on a touch screen it just feels right and different. Everything is just super snappy and responsive, which is awesome. So later I hooked it up with my mouse, which is a Logitech G304, and started downloading Fortnite so that I can try and see if this setup can work, and if it does, it would be an awesome portable gaming setup. I mean, think about it, not even a PS4 Pro can do Fortnite at 60 FPS. And I know this is the mobile Fortnite which has lower graphics, but what matters is the experience. So it seems like we have to download a bit more, so let's just leave it for a while.
One eternity later.
Okay, so finally we have completed the downloading, so let's just go to settings, and as you can see there is an option for 120 FPS right here, so I'll just enable it right now. So I've enabled it, and let's do a solo queue right now. God, it's been a while since I have played Fortnite. The last time I played was in Season 9, Chapter 1. And I don't even know about the things that are in the game right now. Now while matchmaking, I already had a feeling that this is not going to work because it would be really unfair for other people, and I was right. I tried to look up everywhere about this, but it just seems like it's impossible to do so. Yes, you cannot use a mouse or a keyboard in Fortnite Mobile, although I'm pretty sure that you can use a controller but not a keyboard and a mouse, which is reasonable, but again, that would have been fun. So I just took it on my hands and tried to play Fortnite on a touchscreen. Now I'm not really good at that, but it won't be a problem to you if you're that used to touchscreen games. Now because this thing has a 120Hz display, it just feels super responsive, and this is so much better than 60 FPS. Now throughout the game I only had two problems. First one is the size of this thing, which just makes things hard, but this can be eliminated if you use a controller. The other problem is the FPS drops. Yes, the game drops down to around 70 to 80 FPS sometimes, and I tried putting a charger but it did not solve that. And also about like 10 minutes of gaming, this thing heated up real bad. But again, that is obvious. And despite all that, I think this thing is amazing for gaming. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about an iPad Pro? Would you buy it to play PUBG or Fortnite in 120 FPS and carry it around? Or would you rather buy a good PC and do not carry it around? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's aim for 120 likes. Thanks for watching everyone. I will see you in the next one.